It has been quite a long time of my research until now. I completed making this band vise. I strongly believe it is the first band vise in the world that is controlled by foot panel, so I could be free of my both hand for precise positioning or put the heavy subject into vice grip. It will be very beneficial for many people in daily work. Many thanks for clicking on subscribe and like my video from you. So now it's time to testing the device. First, I'm just using this one on hand so you can see that it's controlled by this wood panel. So now we just open the device. That's a positioning of the right click in maximum open position. Now we put it in close. Okay, so now we put it down and control by my foot. And you see it's my both hand free. Now we're testing the grip to see how strong it can be. So this base is very heavy. Just grip it and leave it up to see if it fell or not. I'm using my both hands and I will leave it up. It so that it's grip it very tight. So that's a complete making the foot control band vise, and I hope it will help you in your daily work. Thank you.